Hello YouTube, just got a quick video for you. You're obviously looking at a delivery confirmation receipt or a piece of paper with a number on it, and that is the number of my Zippo that I sent in yesterday. Now I got part 1 knife collection up. I have the ones I sent in, I got them on a video, and don't mind my birds in the background. So I got part 2, 3, 4, 5, I think, to upload. Something like that. So I got like 6 videos, or 5 videos to upload after this. I'm trying to get them up as soon as possible. But they always quit uploading. So the number is 0311 0820 0002 0808 6492. And I'm going to go to the postal USPS.com and show you where it's at. It's right now. USPS.com. Track and confirm. Enter 10 numbers. 0311 0820 0002 0808 6492. Find. It says it's already in Pennsylvania. It's in Warrendale, Pennsylvania. I'll show you my computer screen here. It says Festus, Hazelwood, and then Warrendale, Pennsylvania. So I should get an email soon from Zippo. So that's the number. Right here. You can read that 0311 0820 0002 0808 6492. Alright, thanks for watching the video. I'll try to get them other videos up as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and take care.